What is partition data loss?
Computer storage drives are divided into sections called partitions. Sometimes these partitions become lost or deleted due to accidental formatting, software errors, or hardware failures. When this happens, the files stored in those areas can appear to vanish. Fortunately, with the right tools and steps, it's possible to recover files from missing or deleted partitions.
Stop using the affected drive.
If you notice a partition has disappeared or data is missing, avoid saving new files to the drive. New data can overwrite lost files, making recovery harder. Disconnect external drives safely, and if possible, work from another computer or system to prevent accidental writes to the affected drive.
Choose a reliable recovery tool.
There are trustworthy programs designed to recover lost partitions and files. Popular options include Recuva, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, and TestDisk. TestDisk is free and especially powerful for partition recovery, but beginners may prefer user-friendly interfaces like those in commercial tools.
Recover with step-by-step guidance.
Install your chosen recovery tool on a different drive from the one you need to recover. Scan the affected drive for lost partitions or files. Preview discovered files when possible. Select what you want to save and restore them to a safe location, never on the original drive, to avoid overwriting data.
Preventing future partition loss.
Regularly back up important files and use disk management tools carefully to avoid accidental deletions. Keeping your operating system and antivirus software up to date can help prevent software issues that cause partition loss. Safe device removal and handling also reduce risks of data corruption.